Good morning, students. Here I am explaining how to measure the length of an object or diameter of any spherical or circular object by using Vernier calipers. In simple manner, I explain here. First of all, find the least count of Vernier calipers. What is the meaning of least count? The least length can measure by Vernier calipers. It is called least count. Here, least count, how to measure? See, observe here. We observed in Vernier calipers 10 divisions of Vernier scale divisions, 10 divisions of Vernier scale divisions matching with only 9 divisions of main scale divisions. That means 10 divisions on Vernier scale division matched with 9 millimeters on main scale division. So equally, both are equal. 10 divisions are equal to 9 millimeters on main scale division. So from this, what you can write, one Vernier scale division we can find out. One Vernier scale division, how much length? Then as per main scale reading, one Vernier scale division, how much it is? So that is 9 by 10 main scale reading. Main scale divisions. 9 by 10th part of main scale division is equal to 1 Vernier scale division. So now 1 Vernier scale division is equal to 0.9 main scale divisions. That means 1 Vernier scale division is equal to 0.9 millimeters. Up to here we learn. Now least count. What is the least count? Least count is difference of one main scale division and one Vernier scale division. We know one main scale division is equal to, each one main scale division is equal to 1 millimeter. Now we got it, one main scale division is equal to 0.9 millimeters. One main scale division and one Vernier scale division difference gives the least count. Least count is equal to one main scale division, that means 1 mm, minus one Vernier scale division, how much? 0.9 mm. So if you find out the difference, you will get 0.1 mm, 0.1 millimeters. Or also we can find out as in centimeters, we can say as 0.01 centimeters. This is about least count. Now how to find the length of an object? There is a formula. What is the formula? Length of an object or diameter of any spherical or circular object. Diameter, how to find? MSR plus VSR into least count. Here MSR nothing but main scale reading, and VSR nothing but Vernier scale reading, and least count. Least count of Vernier calipers already found now, 0.01 centimeters or 0.1 millimeters. In millimeters, 0.1 millimeters. In case if you want centimeters, 0.01 centimeters. Least count. Now MSR means what? Where the Vernier calipers zero division of the Vernier division, where it is coincide in the main scale division. After placing the object in the Vernier calipers, the 0th division is moves on the main scale division, main scale reading. So before that, before object, where it is, before object is not placed in the Vernier calipers, the zero division of Vernier division and main scale reading, main scale zero division both coincide. After placing object in the Vernier calipers, the zero division moves on the main scale reading. The zeroth division of the Vernier scale division, when zeroth division of the Vernier scale division moves on the main scale division some distance. So now see how find out here example. So look at the example here. I am showing you. Here see. See, look at here example. This is Vernier scale division. These are here down is Vernier scale divisions. Here 10 and here above is main scale division. Here Vernier scale is moving on the main scale. When placed, when it is no object, this zero division and main scale zero division both coincide. When object is placed, this Vernier scale moves because of object is placed in the between two jaws. Vernier scale moves on the main scale division, main scale. Then now find out up to where it moves. The 0th division of the Vernier scale division moves up to 5 centimeter point 5.3 3 millimeters. And see, clearly observe here, it is 5.35 centimeters after 3 millimeters, but it's not exactly 3 millimeters. It crossed 3 millimeters and not reached 4th millimeter. So that means this is the use of vernier calipers. Here we can find out between the millimeters, the length between millimeters. By using normal scale only you can measure only millimeters. Only millimeters length only we can measure. But by using vernier calipers, what is the length between the millimeters also we can find out. That is the use of vernier calipers. Now here see, find out clearly the vernier calipers moved, vernier scale moved on the main scale up to 5.3 and some excess not reached 5.4. It is 5.3 millimeters, 5 centimeters and 3 millimeters, 5.3 centimeters and not reached to 5.4 centimeters. So between 3 and 4 millimeters, it is object is that vernier zero division is moved. So now this length 5.3, actually what is the length now? Generally we can say as 5.3 millimeters, but it's not correct now. Here 5.3 plus some above. So 5.3 and above, not reached 5.4, 5.3 plus something. So that excess, what is there in the millimeters, in the after 5.3, what is the excess millimeters, that we are going to find out now by using vernier calipers. So what is the formula? MSR means main scale reading, that is 5.3, and plus vernier scale division into least count. Here see, find out vernier scale division, which division is coincide exactly. Any one division coincide exactly. Any one main scale division coincide exactly. That division you take as vernier scale division. You find out as per this, sixth division is coincide. Sixth division. See, find out sixth division. Yes, see. On vernier division, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This sixth division only coincide approximately, exactly sixth division only coincide with the main scale division. That which division is coincide with the main scale division, that you take as vernier scale division. Vernier scale division, and multiply vernier scale division, multiply with the least count. Then you can find out length of the object. Here see, length of the object 5.3 plus what is the excess? Vernier scale division into least count. Vernier scale division, what is the vernier scale division? Any one division exactly coincide with the main scale division. On the vernier division, any one division exactly coincide with the main scale division. This is see, sixth division only exactly coincide with the main scale division. So that sixth division into which division is coincide exactly on main scale division, that is vernier scale division. That into least count. That this value add to main scale reading, that is main scale reading is 5.3. 5.3 plus vernier scale reading into least count. This is the way we can measure the length of an object or radius of any spherical object. Thank you. Once again go through example given in textbook. Then you can understand. Thank you.